This is the elevator at Neiman Marcus at International Plaza and Bay Street in Tampa, Florida. It's a Kone. And it's traction. We're gonna go down the one. I was actually kind of surprised. I was thinking they'd put a hydraulic in here, but nope. Runs a little rough, but still does the job. Here's your inspection certificate. I'm only gonna take one ride since this is pretty basic, but yeah, there's a directory right here, and there it goes, and that'll be it.